Hi, I'm Jeremy. Thanks for checking out this YouTube video from Holiday Coach and Auto. On this episode, we're going to highlight the 2021 Ford E-450. It has only 3,972 original miles. I mean, you still have a couple thousand miles before you got to go in for your first checkup there. Looking underneath the front tire, you see it is clean. You can see everything is kept intact, well maintained, hardly any use because it is such a new unit. Again, only been owned by one owner who used it minimally. Here you see how great the tire is, the tread on the tire. Still a rock stuck in there, shows you how depth the tread is. As we continue to pan around the side of the bus, let's look on the back right hand side of the tire. Again, chrome shiny wheels. There's that great tread I was talking about up close and personal for you. Good suspension there. Again, no rust, as you see. It's in really good shape. You won't find many of these coaches like this at this price. Again, one owner. There's a back corner so you can see where we come from. No dents, no damage. Really quite clean, sharp looking vehicle. Alright, so you see it's clean there on the back. So let's kind of go into the back a little bit and see what we've got going on there. Like I said, there's no real dirt to see. I mean, it's been well maintained, well kept up, very clean, no rust. This 21 Ford E-450 Microbird is still under factory warranty. It comes with a 7.3 liter V8 gas engine with auto transmission. It only has 3,972 miles on it, so it's like new. Alright, now we're back out to the back left side. Again, no paint damage. No dents, no damages, no dings. Alright, so here we are at the side. Again, you have the two top windows at the top to kind of bring in some extra air. There you see your unleaded fuel only there, right beside the back left tire. Again, shiny chrome, looking very nice. Going under here, that great tire tread again. Well maintained. Yeah, so there you see the E-450 Super Duty. We're looking under the bottom of the front left tire there. Really just a clean vehicle. Alright, so let's take a walk from the front here. We see the nice Ford logo there. Walking out, catching that sun. Nice clean shiny paint there. No damage. Okay, so we know this bus looks great from the outside, but let's actually check out the inside as well. Here on the passenger side, you see two easy swing open doors. There's no rust, no dent, no damage, nothing to stop them from closing all the way. As you step up in the bus, you do have the bars to help the elderly and the younger people who need assistance getting in and out of the bus. Up front, it's easy access, great control from your AC to your radio to your lights to your door operation. Everything is right there. Easy arm reach for the driver. Above the driver's head, you do have this extra area for storage, such as your DOT papers and your insurance. Everything is just kept right there, easy access. As we're turning around, again, you see a bar to help you back down the aisle, as well as the overhead storage that we were talking about. Great for field trips. You know, you can put your book bags up there, your storage, your mementos, anything you pick up on the trips can go right up there, as well as the overhead speakers for music or whatever you want to play, and the light. Notice the detail of quality that goes into this bus. Again, it's so new, it just reeks of newness because it was used so lightly by the first owner that owned it. Again, only owned by one owner, a little over 3,000 miles. Still has a long way to go before that first checkup. Again, every one of these 25 seats not only recline and have their own seat belt, but have their armrests for comfort. You see the quality and the durability of the chairs here. There's the handle so you can pull back the chair to recline or decline the chair. The armrest I was talking about earlier. See the smooth material there on the chair. And notice above the windows you have the pull-back windows that can let some extra air if you want that as well. So as we look back up the aisle, we see no dents, no scratches, no damage on the floor. It's great like new condition paint, great in like new condition interior, like new tires, like new, barely broken in everything. It's been owned by one owner this whole time, and they have the records from when it was totally new to present. Coming back up the bus, again you see the bars on both sides to help you transition from the main carriage area back to the steps. But before we go out, let's actually sit down and check out what the driver sees. Well, the drivers can actually see the passengers in the back seat because you got a great view here from this mirror. Looking down, you have everything you need as you'd expect. Easy access, easy drive bus. There's your radio, there's your AC, there's even a USB port on the right hand side so you can plug in something if you needed that. There's your volume control for your radio, your cruise control. Nice display to check everything that you need. On the top you have all your gauges so you can read it right across the board. Looking out the window, you do have the two mirrors to kind of give you different perspectives to help you drive safely down the road. Take care of those passengers that I know you care about. Spinning around, again, there's the door right there so you can maintain who's coming in, who's going out, and you see the lights for safety right there as well. Now to get in and out of the bus, to lock it, it's just a simple turn key, turn, open, and close. You can see it closes really easily as well. So that's our overview of this 2021 Ford E-450 Microbird from Holiday Coach and Auto. If you want to see the rest of our inventory, go to our page, holidaycoachandauto.com. If you had any questions about this bus or other featured inventory, be sure to give us a call at 336-808-0320. To stay up to date and have the most current information, be sure to like our page, click the subscribe notification, and ring the bell. For Holiday Coach and Auto, I'm Jeremy. Thanks for watching.